It's the Mike Stars, the most amazing traveling and baking YouTube channel. Hi, this is the Mike Stars, the most amazing traveling and baking YouTube channel. Today we are going to bake a lemon cake with a special recipe. Before we start our video, consider subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting. Join us. We are going to measure our ingredients one by one. Our ingredients are flour 200 grams, extra flour 100 grams, baking powder 10 grams, Prestige 200 grams, sugar 150 grams, 5 eggs, lemon essence. First, we are going to cream our Prestige together with flour to a toothpaste-like paste. My co-baker will come and help me to cream it. Welcome.
Thank you. Hey guys, this is the Mixers, the co-baker. Welcome to our channel. We are going to cream the Preheat margarine and the flour. Join us, get to learn and enjoy. Support us guys.
As usual guys, remember that we clean using one side. If you choose clockwise, no. Is that one for the clockwise?
Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
You choose either clockwise or anti-clockwise. The one you choose, you go with it. But that is meant for the quality and the texture.
So you make sure your paste look like this, like a toothpaste paste, for a better result. In the next process, we are going to add our sugar, eggs and lemon essence and whisk them to a smooth paste. Remember, we crack egg one by one just in case one is rotten. This is our lemon essence. Remember, it's 10 ml. 1 tablespoon. My hubby will come and help me to whisk it. What's your plan about our channel, babe?
The main thing is to share what we like best, what we do. Since this is something that many people wish to know, baking is not a walk in the park, and we can share it out. Since we like it, we do it for fun and leisure, and make the money in the process, of course. To engage our fans, we shall ensure that we offer the special recipes, the ones that you won't find anywhere else, the ones that will give you the best quality, and that will make you stand out as a baker. For the all baker enthusiasts, welcome you, join us, and get to learn something new. Enjoy. Everyone is welcome. What about the essence? There's something about the essence, babe.
When you are going to buy the essence, buy the one that is flavored with green color.
Why?
To give your lemon cake the green color.
Remember guys, you should whisk until you don't feel any sugar particles, and at this point, I think we are done. It's good.
It's cool.
Yeah, the taste is smooth. No sugar particles. Yes, it's good. You can see.
We have another special ingredient. We are going to add our lemon peel, a grated lemon peel, and our lemon juice 10 ml. There you go. Let's grate our lemon.
And what do the peels do?
They add the lemon flavor. They add a lemon flavor to our cake.
It makes it a real lemon. Remember that the peels are very natural, unlike the essence. So the combination brings the richness of the lemon in our cake. There's no particular measurement of the lemon peels grits. You just put just a fair amount. Don't overdo it, but make it a good amount.
If you overdo it, it will become bitter.
Yes, remember that the lemon is sour. So just do a fair bit. Don't overdo it.
We are going to add all our ingredients. Here we have sugar, eggs, and lemon essence. The next one we have flour and prestige, cream to a toothpaste-like paste. The next one we have lemon peels, grated ones, lemon juice. The next one is extra flour, and the last one is baking powder. Let's mix them together. How does it feel, babe?
It's smooth. I feel like you're almost there, but just few rounds. Remember guys, as you whisk, you should whisk in one direction. It's either clockwise or anti-clockwise. For me, I've used the anti-clockwise this time round. This is meant for good texture and good quality. So ensure to use one direction. Remember, you should not also over whisk it. Yes.
To avoid losing the quality of the cake.
The texture should be a par. Let them go hand in hand. One direction. I think we are done.
So yeah, let's move to the next process. The last process.
At this point, you add your 10 ml
lemon juice.
Lemon juice, very fresh. You also add your grated lemon peels. And then whisk them until you get a very soft and smooth paste. As you can see, the lemon peel has integrated into the paste and it's almost invisible. You can show them. Yes, it has integrated and well blended with the paste.
How does it smell, babe?
The smell now is the aroma can be felt.
It's very sweet.
It's very sharp. The lemon smell. I wish you can hear from the other end. Just try it and get the first person experience. Yes, this recipe are meant for our fans and everyone who comes to our channel. Let's move together.
Let's grow together.
Subscribe, like, comment, share experience. If you try these recipes and you have any question, you channel them to us. We shall be ready to answer and we shall answer promptly. We are done. Everything has blended.
It's cool.
It's uniform. The aroma is nice texture.
And
Let the baker explain the next process.
And like a green color.
And the green color. Everything is cool. Let the baker take over.
We are done with our paste. We are going to grease and dust our tin to prevent our cake from sticking on our tin. We are done with our paste. We are going to bang it to remove the air and make it compact. We are going to preheat our oven for 10 minutes at a temperature of 180 and put it on these two lines. Let's wait for our oven to preheat. Can show them. On these two lines.
The baking calibrations, but they can mix on
both sides.
On both sides.
Our oven is preheated. We are going to put our cake inside and bake it for 45 minutes. It's cool. Our cake is ready. Let's remove it from the oven and cool it down. You can see it's golden brown. How is it, babe?
Looks nice. The color, it's up to par.
Let's remove it to cool down. Our cake has cooled down. Let's get to taste our cake. You can see our cake. It's really yummy. Oh, how is it, babe?
It's yummy. It's brown, golden brown. Perfect.
How is it, babe?
Looks good. The texture is okay. Let's have a taste.
Yes.
A cake. Is it yummy? Yummy. Swallow it.
Eat it.
I did it for you. Yes.
How is it? How is it?
How is the cake? Is it yummy? How did mommy do it? Yummy.
We are done. It's now the time to taste the cake and get to gauge the texture and everything. Let me have a taste and give the feedback. I like it. Texture, taste, very fine. Good job.
Thank you.
Welcome. We have come to the end of this video. Consider subscribing. It's free, guys. Like, share, comment, tell the recipe, and share your feedback. Thank you. Let's meet next time as we do something else. Welcome.
Bye.